A little boy was in his own home while his mommy went to the store. He heard a sound, someone was knocking, someone knocking at the door. The little boy knew not to answer, for a stranger may be there. The boy had learned some rules of safety, so he sat still in his chair. Stay away from any stranger. Never stop to say hello. Stay away from any stranger. Find an adult that you know. A little girl was outside walking down the sidewalk of her street. A strange red car pulled up beside her, probably well within 10 feet. The driver then rolled down his window. He waved and said a kind hello. The little girl, she took off running. This was someone she didn't know. Stay away from any stranger. Never stop to say hello. Stay away from any stranger. Find an adult that you know. A little boy was doing some shopping to get himself a brand new toy. A stranger stopped, offering him money, saying you're a very special boy. The boy did run to find his father, shopping in the other aisle. The boy was smart, he truly listened to the rule we sing to you now. Stay away from any stranger. Never stop to say hello. Stay away from any stranger. Find an adult that you know. Find an